Hey guys, the Rage here. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing of my new Oakley's Vanguard. The Meta glasses, it just came in, so I'm super excited. And this is the Vanguard, look at that. So we have a little tab here. I don't know if you guys can see it. We're gonna pull that off. And that should allow this to slide. Look at that, Vanguard, alright. Then we have this little tab over here, which we pull to reveal the Oakley's. Oh, the case is huge, look at that. Super big, you know. Let me center myself here. Different USB here in the back, but without further ado, what we're all waiting for, and you guys can see it, there it is, look at that. So I got this. Ooh, I like it. Also the sides, this is how it looks, matches, and I'm digging this color, so I'm gonna put them on now, see how they fit. Very interesting. There's a button over here, buttons, there's a bunch of buttons over here. They're kind of new buttons. Anyways, this is how I look with the Oakleys. That's pretty neat. And they dim a nice amount. So now I gotta pair them with my phone and go jet skiing, snowmobiling, you know, snowboarding, whatever. I think these are somewhat water resistant. You're not supposed to like dive with them or anything like that, but you know, splashes should be fine. So there it is. That's how you'd see it. You can see like it dims a pretty, you know, pretty decent amount. So, and yeah, and they stay nice and snug in the face, which I really like. They actually have a tight fit. Seems very comfortable so far. So I'm gonna pair this with my phone and start using. I'll let you guys know how it works. Take care guys, peace.